She slams her door. Hard. The pictures shake. You say one thing about screen time. 30 seconds later, she yells, "You're so unfair," and calls you mean. One short talk. Then a full meltdown. Why did that tiny moment blow up so fast? If you knew the real reason, you'd stop the next blow-up before it starts. You love her. You want rules. You're tired. That mix, care and fatigue, makes it easy to think she's choosing this. But usually, that furious kid is sending a message, not trying to hurt you on purpose. If you can hear that message, you can stop the shout, punish, regret loop. Here's the blunt truth. Behavior is a kind of speech. Underneath the yelling, there's usually a few things: overwhelm, a need that isn't met, or a nervous system that's hijacked. Treat the act as willful defiance, and you make it worse. Treat the act as a signal, and you calm things and actually teach her how to cope. Simple brain picture. Imagine a 2-floor house. Upstairs, plan, careful talk, thinking ahead. Downstairs is the raw part: fear, fight, freeze. Big, loud feelings. When stress hits, bad sleep, mean texts, hunger, big shame, the upstairs goes off. The downstairs runs the show. So a calm, reasoned talk or a scolding often fails mid-meltdown. You're trying to bargain with a brain that can only shout. So rule 1, connect first, then correct. That means calm the body and the feeling before you try to give a lesson or a long consequence. Short, calm contact lowers the heat and lets the upstairs come back so learning is possible. Now some ways that actually work. These are short moves you can try today with kids from about 8 to late teen years. Real language you can say, not a lecture. Name it to tame it. When feelings run wild, giving the feeling a name out loud makes it less scary. Quick and simple. Example: she storms out and slams a door after you say, "No more scrolling." You knock soft. Say, "I hear how furious you are. That sounds awful." Pause. Wait. If she answers, keep it short. "Okay, take 2 minutes. Come back when you're calmer." If she ignores you, give the space and check back later. Why this helps. Naming moves the noise from raw feeling into words. It cools things down, just a bit. Lets her think. Move it or lose it. Motion resets the body. When heat is high, offer small, real movement, not a speech. Example: grocery store meltdown. Don't argue. Say, "Let's walk outside 2 minutes." March down the aisle. Count while you walk. Do a slow pace to the car. Use a flat voice. The rhythm calms the body and breaks the loop. Engage, don't enrage. Choices that keep dignity. Choices stop fights if you give real, narrow options. Make them fair. Make them simple. Example: teen won't get ready. Try, "You can get ready now and we leave on time," or "We go and you figure out a ride later." Which do you pick? You hold the line. She picks. You keep your side. No tug of war. Boundaries plus repair. You can hold a rule and still fix the relationship after. Consequences teach. Repair heals. Example: she breaks curfew. Calmly say, "You missed curfew, so no weekend car keys. We'll talk about how to make better choices." Next day, short repair. "I want us on the same team. What happened last night? How did you feel? What will you try next time?" That keeps discipline from turning into shame. Tiny scripts you can use. Short, calm. Practice them. I can see you're really angry. I'm here when you want me. That door slam scared me. Are you okay? I won't talk while you're yelling. Come back when you can use words. Cool off for 5 minutes, then we'll talk. I love you, even when you're furious. Sit with me 2 minutes, or take a walk. Your call. Calm now and we can sort this, or we deal with it later. Tell me the part that felt unfair. A real small story. A parent I know. One night, her teen blew up after a mean text at school. First, she lectured. Sleep, food, rules, and it blew up more. Next night, she tried a new way. She sat outside the door, said, I can tell you're crushed. That sounds awful. Her daughter peeked out, muttered. They sat 10 minutes on the porch. No talk at first, just breathing and a hand on the back. Later, they talked about the trigger and made a plan for group texts. The second approach never let the fight reach the first night's heat. Small calm did the heavy lifting. You want something to use tonight. Here's a quick 4-step move you can try the next time she storms off. Fast, clear, practical. 1. Calm arrival. Breathe. Drop your tone. Move slow. If the door is closed, knock once and say, I want to check in. If she's at the table, sit across, don't loom. 2. Name the feeling. 1 short line. You sound really upset, or that looked really embarrassing. No why, no fix yet. 3. Small reset. Offer a 2-minute move or quiet reset, a walk, pacing, a squeeze ball, or sitting near each other without talk. The point is to change the body. 4. 1 brief choice. After 2 minutes, talk now or take an hour and come back. If she says later, pick a time. Stick to it. A tiny practice to build calm skills. Twice a week, 5 to 10 minutes, no fight. Do a short breathing thing, a walk, or a calm check-in. Try highs and lows this week. Keep it light. This builds the upstairs part of the brain. Small repeats wire change more than big punishments. Repair after the fight is where real change shows up. Use a short repair script within a day. Keep it quick and soft. Repair chat, a few short prompts. What happened for you? Let her tell it first. How did you feel right then? Help her name the feeling. What would you try next time so it doesn't go that far? Make a small plan together. When you use a consequence, do it calm and sure. Then do the repair. Predictable limits give safety. Repair gives trust. A few quick cautions. Don't try logic when she's flooded. It won't land. Don't shame to get her to comply. Shame makes her pull away. Don't cut love as a punishment. Teens read that as being left, and that makes things worse. Change takes time. You won't fix everything with one chat. You're building a way of being. Rules matter, and you help her learn how to meet them. A small change in how we show up can stop a blow-up and help her learn how to calm herself. Start with 1 short move tonight. See what changes.
Hey there, I see